name is Niegia Santwa. I am the program coordinator for the West Africa Resilience Innovation Lab. The West Africa Resilience Innovation Lab is one of 4 sub-Saharan labs under the Resilient Africa Network, which is a network of 20 African universities in 16 African countries that are united in their pursuit of innovative solutions to address some of the key challenges and key problems that African communities have faced over a period of time. The West Africa Resilience Innovation Lab is hosted by the School of Medicine and Health Sciences of the University for Development Studies. And we have our Network Plus partners. We have the University of Education in Winneba in Ghana here. We have the University of Bamako in Mali, and the Sheikh Anta Diop University of Dakar in Senegal. Basically what we do, we coordinate the West African effort in seeking innovative solutions to the challenges that African communities faced. And the way we're doing is we are working with university lecturers and students, interfacing that with communities so that together we can find solutions that really address the felt needs of the people. We are using evidence-based programming, so we need to use a scientific approach to understand the nature and size of the challenge that African communities faced. And then based on that knowledge, we design programs to respond to those challenges. We have done 2 main things at our lab level. We have conducted a series of community consultations in 3 geographically different locations in Ghana. One was in the Kasina Nankana Municipal Assembly area in Avrongo. The second one was in the Tambale Metropolitan area, and the third was in Ashaiman Municipal area. Now, the idea of taking these 3 distinct geographical locations is to try to understand whether there are some similarities in terms of the challenges that communities face. And I must add that our thematic focus, what we are addressing, has to do with rapid urbanization. And we know that rapid urbanization is a global phenomenon. In West Africa, it is very prominent and very pronounced. And climate change has come to introduce a new dimension to rapid urbanization, where people flee the rural areas into urban centers, try to scratch out a livelihood. Now, rapid urbanization has its own challenges. There are infrastructure challenges, the huge numbers coming into an urban area without adequate provision for infrastructure, education facilities, health facilities, hygiene, sanitation, food security is a problem, employment, livelihood, training, credit, access to credit, and a whole lot of things that rapid urbanization throws up. We have reached a stage where we have used the information that we got from the community consultations to design what we call a deliberative pool. And so we are now in the process of analyzing the results of the Tamale DP, which is the first in West Africa and the second in Africa, followed by the first ever DP in Africa that was conducted by the Makerere University in Kampala in Uganda. We have a respectable understanding of the resilience challenges that people face. Now, there are things that are already being done. Now, we are now assembling a group of experts and innovators, people who are doing simple things to address problems. We are assembling them for a workshop called the Innovation Strategy Workshop and the Collaborative Resilience Innovation Design. Now, that's the workshop that the West Africa IR Lab is currently organizing to see how we can brainstorm the various innovations that are available, cluster them into innovations that have the capacity to address multiple challenges, and then prioritizing them, and then funding these ones, testing them, and then those that actually show promise, then we try to scale them up.
Thank you. Bye.